Tara na.
Oh, okay naman pala yung suot mo eh. Kung pang Miss Talipapa yung pupuntahan natin. Ako ba naman? Di ba nga dance audition yung pupuntahan natin? Kung ako yung lola mo, ako, nagagalit ako sa'yo.
Wow.
Nobody but me! I want nobody but me! I want nobody but me!
Lola. Wait. Nobody but you. You.
Kaya nga! I want nobody but me!
Parang okay din sila.
Sir George! Excuse me.
Hi!
Can we talk to you?
Yeah! Teka muna, nagkaintindihan na tayo ha, di ba? Today, we begin the audition. Makahanap tayo ng female lead singer ng Cromaris.
Tama yun. Pero gusto namin kasali pa rin kami sa grupo. Di ba? Kami ni Gary, composer.
Yes?
Tapos si Sam, vocal coach.
Walang problema.
Hindi pa kami tapos.
At si Barang? At si Barang ang maging Girl Friday mo. Siya na rin ang pipili kung sino papalitis ang pagkita bilang singer.
Sigurado ka? Hindi ba nakikita kung gaano kagaganda itong mga weekday calendar girls ko? Pagkatapos papalitan natin itong bagong kain na pusikat?
Oo, kung gano'n na lang, alis na lang kami. Maghahanap na lang kami ng ibang recording company. Tara na.
Oops. Excuse me? Pahig na ako.
Okay ka na?
Okay. Liga. Girl Friday.
Yes, boss.
Magpahinga ka muna. Pasensya na. Okay? Sige. Ikaw na pang Friday, ha? Sige, galangin mo ako.
Wake up in the morning feeling like PGD. Grab my glass and out the door, I'm gonna hit the city.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Because I leave for the night, I am coming back.
I'm tucking pretties on my toes, trying on all my clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. Dropped out and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy.
Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight.
Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop.
No,
Don't care in the world, but got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here.
And now the dudes are lining up, cause they hear we got swagger. But we kick him to the curb, unless it look like Mick Jagger.
I'm talking about everybody getting crunk. Boys trying to touch my junk. Gonna smack them if they're getting too drunk.
Now we're going to kick us out. But police shut us down. Police shut us down. Police shut us down.
Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight.
Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.